Welcome to iCloud EMS. Education reform has its main purpose to make sure that the education delivered is of quality. In the light of that, reputed educational institutions have always tried to ameliorate the quality of teaching and learning methods, and that's why Learning Management System is making its advancement in the education sector. LMS, also known as Effective Management, is a learning platform that allows effective, complete, overall control of administration, automation, communication with users, teachers and trainers, and of course, content management. It assures efficient management of registrations or signups and creation of groups and courses, assignment submission, answer sheet submissions, access over course-related content like videos, reading materials, recorded lectures. The sudden outbreak of pandemic in 2020 did not give time for the development of technology and internet, especially in rural areas. Considering the figures of 30th September 2020, about 1 billion students have been affected due to the campus closures in the pandemic. But with the advent of LMS, educational institutions have started recovering from their losses. Challenges faced by higher education system in sustaining online classes. In approximately 33.2% institutions, 50% of fewer faculty have undergone training programs designed for online learning. Digital limitations in remote areas. Encouragement for lifelong learning. Assurance of standards and quality of online courses. Proctored online assessments and examinations. Students' readiness and acceptance. Digital repository and advanced transparent systems to augment the quality of education. Supervised and professional training of teachers and students to acclimatize them with the IT skills to deal with online teaching learning process. Our iCloud EMS is an integrated solution to conduct and manage virtual classroom settings for effectual educational activities. Our advanced tools and products include LMS, which makes it easier for the institution to face the challenges and achieve effective results. What do we offer to teachers? Connectivity with the students to exchange resources, videos, ideas, methodologies, etc. Sharing teaching resources like videos, presentations, quizzes to create a learning environment. Being more innovative in creating the course and practice material to keep students indulged. Uploading the learning material, quizzes and other activities as per the schedule and convenience. Saving time by eliminating the need to wait for the college hours and by increasing the scope for quick evaluation of classwork. What do we offer to students? Flexibility to work as per their convenience and pursue other courses to sharpen their skills. Developing self-discipline and sense of responsibility as studying online requires self-motivation and time management skills. Availability of the lecture videos to be watched again for revision. Diversity to learn from the teachers who can be from different countries, which augments their interest a lot. So all prestigious institutions working on digitalized teaching and learning process are wholeheartedly welcome to collaborate with us for effective results and a myriad of benefits.